Welcome to Safetec's Mind to Market, your destination for any private label needs. Follow along as we explore our dedicated private label website. All you have to do is scroll. Mind to Market features Safetec's certifications, capabilities, roadmap, packaging, and labeling information. By clicking on the word, you can jump ahead to any section. But for now, we will continue to scroll. Why Mind to Market? Learn more about us as a company. We've been in business for over 30 years in our FDA-regulated facility located in Buffalo, New York. What can Mind to Market do for you? Explore our capabilities, which include formulation development, contract fill, commercialization, and private label. Click on the Let's Get Started tab to start the process. No matter what type of project, Safetec is here for you every step of the way. Click on the roadmap you're interested in and click through to learn more about the journey in each roadmap. If you have any questions, you can contact us by clicking here. Next, you can see our standard formulas. This includes creams and lotions, gels, liquids, ointments, and wipes. You can view the various formulas by clicking View List, or you can click the icon. Ready to build your formula? Click Learn More to get the process started, or continue to scroll for more information. Here you'll find an overview of Safetec's many different packaging options. Click on any of the plus signs to get more in-depth details like size, count, and art. Watch our machines in action. Click on the machine icon at the top of the section, or scroll through by clicking the arrow icons. Safetec caters to a wide variety of industries and markets. We've developed products in the skincare, personal care, healthcare, oral care, and cosmetic markets. Don't see your market listed? Let's talk about it. Safetec's turnkey products are available to order with your label. Scroll through the various turnkey products to see what we have available. Click an item you're interested in, and you will be brought to our main site to learn more about the product. We'd love to work with you on your next project. Click the Contact Us button to fill out the form to get started. We want to know about you and your project. Complete the form, and one of our dedicated business development coordinators will follow up with you. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for your interest in Safetec's Mind to Market.